In this video, I'll guide you through how to use Airtable for database management. Whether you're organizing projects, tracking inventory, or managing clients, Airtable gives you the power of a database with the simplicity of a spreadsheet. We'll move step by step so you can follow along on your own screen. First, open your web browser on your computer and go to the Airtable website. Once the page loads, sign into your account or create one if you haven't already. After you're logged in, you'll land on your workspace where all of your bases live. A base in Airtable is like a single database or project file that contains your tables and data. Today, I'll show you how to get started by either creating a new base or opening an existing one. If you're new, creating a fresh base is usually the easiest. You can choose a blank base or start from a template. Templates are helpful because they're pre-built for common use cases like content calendars, event planning, or CRM systems. If you already have a base set up, just click it to open and continue working with your existing data. Once your base is open, the next step is to create tables to organize different types of data. Think of tables as separate sheets within the same project. For example, in a simple project management base, you might have one table for projects, another for tasks, and a third for team members. Each table focuses on one type of information, which keeps your data more structured and easier to manage over time. Inside each table, you'll define your fields, which appear as columns. I'm going to walk you through how to add fields like text, number, date, or attachment. Text fields are perfect for names, descriptions, or notes. Number fields work well for budgets, quantities, or scores. Date fields help you track due dates, start dates, or deadlines. Attachment fields let you upload files such as images, PDFs, or documents directly into your records. As you create fields, give them clear descriptive names so you and your team know exactly what each column is for. Next, you'll add records, which appear as rows in your table. Each record is a single entry in your database, like one task, one client, or one product. To add a record, simply click on the first empty row and start typing into the fields you've created. Fill in the details that matter to you and continue adding records until your table reflects the data you want to track. I'll show you the easiest way to make your base more powerful by using linked record fields to connect tables. With a linked record, you can relate information from one table to another. For example, you can link a task in your tasks table to a specific project in your projects table, or assign a task to a person in your team table. This turns your base into a relational database, making it easier to see how everything fits together. Once you have data in your tables, use filters, sorting, or grouping to organize it. Filters let you show only the records that match certain conditions, like tasks due this week. Sorting arranges your records in a specific order, such as by date or priority. Grouping lets you cluster records by a field, like status or assignee, so you can quickly see related items together. Finally, use different views to display your data in the way that makes the most sense. Airtable offers views like grid, Kanban, calendar, and gallery. Grid view looks like a spreadsheet and is great for general editing. Kanban view arranges records into columns, perfect for workflows and pipelines. Calendar view shows records on a timeline based on a date field, useful for scheduling and planning. Gallery view displays your records as cards, which is ideal for visual content or portfolios. By following these steps, you'll have a flexible, easy-to-use database in Airtable that's tailored to your needs and ready to grow with your projects.